Hi guys, this is my first tutorial in FreeCAD and I really want you to subscribe. So I'm going to design this little box. So please subscribe. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to how to make a document and stuff. So as you can see, there's all of this. Just don't look at that. I'm just gonna delete it. I'm just gonna delete that box. Okay, now I'm in part design and I'm in unnamed 2. So if you go here, you can click save, and after you can save all of it. So after you've done that, what you can do is you can click on this little thing. It's called create body, or you could just click this. They're both the same thing. So if I click create body, it shows me a body. Now I can go over here and you can choose whatever you want. I'm choosing a maybe an additive box. Now if I go to the X plane, it shows me that. Now I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. 18 millimeters by 18 millimeters by 18 millimeters. That's how a box is. And this now, it's easier to do this. Now, after you click OK, it shows us this. Now you can click this button, and it's a lot like thingy. It's a lot like unshaped. So if I click this, and in fact, I'm just gonna click all of it. And boom, it's made it like that, but you need exact parameters. I'm gonna go around 4 millimeters, I think. Yeah, I think 8 millimeters is the max, and I want to do it on the other side too. So after I did that, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do 8 millimeters, and as you can see, it's very thingy. It's like a actual weird thingy. Now I'm just gonna do these. I'm gonna go 7 millimeters. I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna go. Was it? Yeah, 7 meters. Now this kind of looks like a marriage box, and as you can see, there's these views on top. You can just look at it, but since there's an entire box, it's almost the same on each side. So it does look like a marriage box where you can open it and the ring comes out, but whatever. So yeah, so bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share. Bye. Please subscribe because I work really hard on these videos, and it took me a long time to figure out the whole UI and software. And as you can see, there's all of these little things I need to show you. So I'll show you hopefully in the next video. So bye. So bye guys, please like, subscribe and share. I'm putting a lot of time and effort into these videos. So please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel.